Okay, so here we are in the Buick, and I decided we're gonna cut into the plastic here in order to fit the stereo in. We only need to cut about 1/4 inch, so it's a little bit of delicate work. So I got my angle grinder, and we're just gonna Greetings friends, Thordy here. So I wanted to make a quick update for the channel now that it's fall, car show season is over. As we suspected, all the major car shows got canceled. I got to go to a few meetups, so that was cool, but I really feel like I missed out this summer. But that's okay, we're gonna get ready for next season. We're starting the get them into storage process. I got a little bit of time to enjoy driving them, but as far as getting them ready for car shows and stuff, that's all over. But I wanted to give you just a quick update as to where we're at. I haven't posted a video in like 2 months, and it's mostly because I haven't had any projects. We fixed the window regulator on the Marauder, but my footage of that got corrupted. I couldn't make a whole video out of it, so I just kind of let it go, and I haven't had much else to do. The Cherokee is out and about. It's being driven by DJ Syncretic, and we got a few things to do on that. I might bring you some updates on that one, but for now, let's talk about what we got in the garage. Now, the Marauder is basically road ready. The window regulator was fixed, but now the switch is broken, so I get to dig into that. Shouldn't be a big deal. It's got a few nicks and dings I need to deal with, like this, but other than that, not much to worry about on that one. The Matador is road ready. Basically, all I gotta do is the tie rods, which aren't urgent, but other than that, it is ready to go. It's just gonna hang out under its cover and get ready for next car show season. The Willys, on the other hand, I have not made any progress on. It's pretty much just lived in the corner. It needs a fuel pump. The whole fuel system needs to be cleaned out, including the tank, and it needs tires and a few other thises and that's, and I might get to take that one out next year. The Buick over here, I gotta be honest, I don't even know if I want to keep this thing. It was fun at first, new and exciting, but it's very slow. It's not very fun to drive. It's comfortable, I'll give it that, but the AC doesn't work, and it's, I don't know, it's brown. It's really brown. We want to paint it, but I'm really questioning if I want to sink any money into it. Now, as you might have noticed, the Mercedes is gone. I found it a good home. I just didn't have what I needed to take care of it. I, again, was going to make a video about it. I got some footage. Maybe I'll tack it on to the end of this video. But anyway, we're going to miss the Mercedes, but it's going to fund some of the other projects we got going on. We've also cleaned up the work area. We've got that all ready. We got plenty of space to work here, which I'm kind of excited about. And that's pretty much the update for all the cars in here. The HHR, it's about to hit 80,000 miles, so we're gonna do the spark plugs, the ignition coil boots, and we're gonna do the shocks and struts, so that's something to look forward to. I'm also gonna be posting a lot more really short videos, mostly stuff like how to change oil lights and things like that. In the meantime, if you have any questions, hit me up on any of the social media platforms. Again, links in the description, and I'd love to talk cars over the winter. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. Good luck, have fun, drive safe, all that good stuff.